Twibbonize is basically a web app that allows people to overlay an image or a frame on a picture or an avatar in order to show support for an event or a campaign or whatever it is. On the front page, you can see all frames or Twibbons that people have uploaded on this web. To upload your campaign's frame, all you need to do is to log in, and then you can choose one of these three login options. I'm gonna go with Google, and then you type your own email, and password. Once you log in, you can create a new frame. And then let's say I have an upcoming event called Go Green Week. So I'm gonna type Go Green Week. Go Green Week. And then for the URL, you can generate a URL like this one, or you can type custom URL so people can access your Twibbon easily. I'm gonna type Go Green Week. And then for description, I'm going to type something like this. We help to inspire people to get involved and take action on environmental issues. And then for Twibbon, I'm gonna upload a random one. This one maybe. And then for the caption, and for the caption part, you can something like, "Hi, I am Morgan." You don't want something. You don't want to write like this. You want the name part to be dynamic, so you can do something like double left square bracket, full underscore name, and then double right square brackets. Okay, so the placeholder full underscore name will be appeared on the bottom. So this part can be replaced with the user's name. I am studying computer science, but I don't want to write computer science. I want to write the same like my name. I want to write double left square bracket, major, and then double right square bracket. Add double left square brackets, university, university, double right square brackets. I fully support this campaign. So this part and this part and this part will be replaced with the user's name, with the user's major or the user's university. And after all this complete, you can create this Twibbon. And then you can see your Twibbon here. This is your Twibbon. You can edit it or you can delete it. And you can copy the link to your clipboard, and you can share it to everyone on the internet. You can share this link, and then when they go to this link, they can access your Twibbon. Or you can also access your Twibbon right in the front of our page, like this one. I'm gonna type Bukan for this one, and then major computer science or CS, university, yeah, Kuala University. You know what? I'm gonna type computer science, computer science, and then you can browse your image. upload this one. You can adjust your photo. You can use maximum quality. By default, it's not the maximum quality, but you can check this if you want to use maximum quality, but I don't want to use it. I just want to hit upload image, and there you go. You can download it, and then you can use it. The caption, the name part is replaced with my name, and then computer science, and also my university name, this one. And you can copy your caption to clipboard, and you can upload it wherever you want.